Owning a historic property in New Orleans is something special. From Creole cottages to Greek Revival townhomes, these buildings carry character, craftsmanship, and cultural value that simply can't be replicated. When it comes time to replace or upgrade windows, however, homeowners often face a tough question. Are slider windows a good choice for historic New Orleans properties? The answer depends on your goals, your home's architectural style, and how carefully the windows are selected and installed. Understanding slider windows, also called horizontal sliding windows, open by gliding one sash sideways along a track. They're known for being easy to operate, low maintenance, and ideal for wide openings. Many homeowners appreciate their smooth function, especially in homes where traditional double-hung windows may be harder to lift due to age or humidity-related swelling. In a city like New Orleans, where moisture, heat, and frequent storms are part of everyday life, ease of use and durability matter. Preserving historic character. One of the biggest concerns for owners of historic New Orleans properties is maintaining architectural integrity. Traditional homes in areas like the French Quarter, Garden District, or Bywater were typically built with wood double-hung windows or casement styles. At first glance, slider windows may seem too modern for these classic designs. However, today's slider windows can be customized to blend in beautifully. Options like simulated divided lights, wood-look finishes, and slim frames allow slider windows to complement historic aesthetics rather than clash with them. When chosen thoughtfully, they can respect the original character of the home while offering modern performance benefits. Climate and comfort considerations. New Orleans climate plays a major role in window decisions. High humidity, intense sunlight, and seasonal storms can be tough on older windows. Many historic homes struggle with drafts, condensation, and poor energy efficiency. Modern slider windows are available with features like double-pane glass, low-E coatings, and weather-resistant frames. These upgrades can significantly improve indoor comfort, reduce energy costs, and help manage moisture, without sacrificing the charm of your historic property. Slider windows also allow for wide, unobstructed views, which can be a plus in homes with courtyards, gardens, or classic New Orleans-style galleries. Ventilation in a historic home. Proper airflow has always been essential in New Orleans architecture. Before air conditioning, homes were designed to maximize cross-ventilation. Slider windows can support this tradition by opening wide and allowing fresh air to flow easily through the space. In rooms where vertical window operation isn't practical, such as over kitchen counters or in tight spaces, slider windows can be especially convenient while still supporting natural ventilation. Regulations and neighborhood guidelines. Many historic districts in New Orleans have preservation guidelines or review boards that regulate exterior changes, including window replacements. Before installing slider windows, it's important to understand local requirements. In some cases, windows must match the original appearance from the street-facing side. The good news is that slider windows can often be approved when they are designed to closely match the original window proportions and materials. Working with a window professional familiar with historic New Orleans properties can make this process much smoother. Are slider windows right for you? Slider windows can be a good choice for historic New Orleans properties when the focus is on balance, blending modern comfort with historic charm. They offer ease of use, improved energy efficiency, and strong performance in a demanding climate. When customized properly and installed with care, they can enhance your home without diminishing its heritage. If you value convenience, comfort, and durability but still want to honor your home's history, slider windows may be worth serious consideration. The key is choosing designs that respect the past while supporting the way you live today.